Have you ever noticed how hard it is to simply do nothing? In a world that glorifies productivity, even resting starts to feel like another task on your to-do list. But what if doing nothing, truly nothing, isn't laziness, but medicine? What if the most profound healing and creativity happen not when we push harder, but when we finally stop? We live in an age of acceleration, constant notifications, endless scrolling, perpetual urgency. Our nervous systems, once designed for bursts of activity and rest, now exist in a state of constant alert. Cortisol becomes our baseline. Stillness feels foreign, even uncomfortable. But here's the irony. Your brain needs stillness the way your body needs sleep. Without it, your mind can't integrate, restore, or imagine. Neuroscientists have discovered something remarkable. When you stop engaging in active thought, when you rest, your brain doesn't shut down. It activates a network called the default mode network, the system responsible for self-reflection, memory, and creativity. In this state, your mind organizes experiences, connects ideas, and repairs emotional balance. This is why you often find answers not while working, but while walking, showering, or staring out the window. Doing nothing, it turns out, is how the brain thinks deeply. When you allow yourself moments of true stillness, not scrolling, not planning, not fixing, your body switches from fight or flight to rest and repair. Heart rate slows, blood pressure drops, your immune system strengthens. Monks and mystics have known this for centuries. Modern science is only catching up. The mind, when silent, heals itself. So how can you begin? Start small. Step 1. Choose one 10-minute window each day and do absolutely nothing. No phone, no music, just breathe. Step 2. Let your mind wander, without judgment. Notice sensations, thoughts, and feelings like clouds passing by. Step 3. Embrace boredom. It's your mind's signal that it's detoxing from stimulation. This is where creativity quietly awakens. Repeat daily, and soon you'll find stillness following you, even into chaos. When you stop doing, something beautiful happens. You remember that you are not your achievements, your deadlines, or your notifications. You are a being, not a doing. In that silence, you meet yourself again. And in that moment of stillness, you realize you never needed to chase peace. It was waiting for you the whole time. So today, do nothing. Not as an escape, but as a return to presence, a return to yourself, because sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is nothing at all.